Sworn enemy of the Galactic Alliance, the evil Emperor Zurg. This robotic army is stealing historic fusion power cells. Without those cells, we'll all be powerless and at the mercy of Zurg. Star Command picked a fine time to send the new recruits. All right, you junior space rangers, listen up. Zurg is using the stolen battery cells to energize the secret weapon. Our mission is to find his robot and the secret weapon and flash.
As soon as I sat down, it literally broke down, dude. We didn't even move one step, basically. Unbelievable, just my luck. Dang. They kicked me straight off the ride.
I would go to range to Thank you.
Well, I got kicked off the ride and they gave me a lightning lane to go back on the ride later. But they also gave me a first time visitor button because I told them it was my first time ever at Disneyland, and they said, oh, we'll take good care of you and give you a lightning lane to get back on the ride. So I feel, I guess, accomplished. So hopefully they open up the ride soon. I mean, it's starting to get dark now. Time is 5 o'clock, and just kind of walking around seeing what I can get myself into. I'm really thirsty, so I'm gonna try to find a drink here soon. All right, let's try this again. Looks like they're back open.
All right, Space Rangers, aim for the Z. And remember, the targets are more formed than they were left.
You have destroyed my treasure with not
Reach bomb. Destroy Zerg's secret. Get Zerg on the run. Blast him with anything you got.
He is a bad boy. You have saved our lives. We are eternally grateful.
Anomalous Space Rangers. It's been an honor serving you. Check the status board to determine your rank. Don't forget to holster those blasters. Mission accomplished, Space
I
Rangers.
got 469,000. We got stuck for a while, but that was dope. That was awesome. I like that one better than the one in Florida. The gun comes off and you don't even need to steer if you're by yourself. You can just spin around in the seat. So that's awesome. Yeah. So, walking through the gift shop now and gonna find out what ride we're gonna do next. Oh, look at this. That looks soft, like super soft. I'm trying to find the price tag on it. Here it is. $70 for this. That was really warm and soft, like a blanket.